When optimizing your Python code, you may care about total time for execution. By using the time module from the time library, you can do just that. Let's go ahead and start by creating a new Python file. We'll call it time tracking. First thing that we want to do is go ahead and import our modules from the time library, time and sleep. Then we want to go ahead and do a current timestamp capture. And the way we'll do that is we'll create a variable. We'll call it start time. And we'll make that equal to time, there, where it gets the present timestamp. Next, we're going to ask it to sleep for 3 seconds. And then we'll go ahead and capture the present timestamp again in that finish time variable. Once we've got all that in place, we'll go ahead and print our total duration. And we'll do that by subtracting the we'll do that by subtracting the start time from the finish time. We'll go ahead and ask that to run. Right here we show that we've got just over 3 seconds. There's a fractional time there, which is included for the CPU processing. But that 3 seconds there matches up with our request to sleep for 3 seconds. Use this technique in your next project when you begin looking at optimization. Thanks for your time.